Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. We're at another completed kitchen, and this is in Castro Valley. This had a old galley kitchen wall here. There was a small opening here, and you can see how this whole job finished open. This is to basically the dining area, and now it's completely open, and it flows back to the back end of the house. The kitchen is significantly opened up, and you can see what a difference it does to remove the load-bearing wall and pocket the beam that was up hanging down, and a nice open feeling. So this particular design used a waterfall countertop, complete level surface, no breakfast bar. You can see the nice beautiful fixture, a deep square sink with the built-in cutting board here. There's tile back behind the hood here. And you can see that we've used a regular freestanding stove, which is becoming more and more popular as opposed to taking up a lot of space for a separate oven stack, so especially when you're space constrained. So this is a nice view. Also, may not be apparent, but we significantly widened the opening in the kitchen. This used to be a typical small pocket door entry to the kitchen, and now look at the opening that's here. You can see the recessed lights, so we've got a little bit of finishing up to do, but wanted to give you a view of the finished kitchen project. Beautiful floor, all new appliances, built-in microwave, of course, and we've got a built-in garbage drawer over there. So this is another beautiful kitchen remodel, and we updated the electrical system and put in tons of recessed lighting. You can see the nice pendants. Everything is on dimmers. Another beautiful job done by Golden Gate Enterprises. So give us a call if you want a first-class kitchen remodel or any type of remodeling done. Thank you very much.